Look at these handmade decorations we made for outdoors. They look like real wicker, but they're weatherproof and they're affordable, and they have that romantic handmade style. These were made from foam noodles called backer rod. We'll show you how to get this look, which is so easy, with love for a country house. The first project is this raised bed basket we made right in place using metal wire fencing about 14 inches tall. We pressed it into the ground in the shape of an oval, then we cut the backer rod noodles to 5 to 6 foot lengths so they were easier to handle, and we wove them very informally through this fence. We mixed together 1/2 inch backer rod with a few pieces of 5/8 and some natural vine for a rustic look, and all of these are easy to cut, but you don't have to mix the sizes or put in the vines. It looks great just with any weight of backer rod that you have. So you just weave away and then tuck in the ends like we did, or you can use small cable ties to attach the noodles to the wire. So this raised bed basket came together in less than an hour, and it looks good plain, but we spray painted ours with Rust-Oleum nutmeg, and it really started to look like real wicker. The same evening, we had a big storm with high winds, but the basket stayed perfectly in place, ready to be filled with flowers. As a final touch, we added part of a painted hula hoop and more twigs to make the effect of a handle, and we think it looks really great. So we were so inspired, we decided to make an arch to put over these 2 metal panels. So wire fencing is very squirrely, so we shaped our arch over part of a barrel hoop, but you could also just press your fence into the ground to hold it into place while you're working. And then we attached real sticks to the fence, spaced apart using small cable ties. These sticks will be somewhat covered by the foam, but they'll add a nice detail. We're using the 1/2 inch foam for most of the arch, and we found it was easiest to start in the center and work towards the ends. And it seemed like in very little time, we were trimming the sticks and the wires and the foam and finishing off the edge with extra cable ties and bending that wire back over the foam. But look at how lightweight this is. A little bit of spray paint and then attaching the arch to the panels came next with more cable ties, and then making curly trim from the 5/8 foam and heavier wire. This heavier wire was actually part of a hoop tunnel that we saved. And it was all very seat of your pants designing, but I guess that's the way we like it best. And we can't wait to show you our next project at Love for a Country House. Click the sun logo to subscribe. See you later.